Hi, Mr. Scott Carter. Welcome to this video. I'm Mohammed Shakil, introducing you how to position, scale, and trim a 3D object inside 3D Studio Max. Note that you can do a single task in 3D Studio Max in many different ways, since it's a very rich software. So I'm given three objects, three file formats. One is OBJ file and another is image file to texture that object, and DXF file for the width and length, and the position for the object file. Firstly, I will import the DXF file. Check the rescale, and from drop down menu select the meters for the units and click OK. Yes, the file is imported. Now I will import the OBJ file. Click open. Here I have to select the convert checkbox, and from the drop down menu meters click import. The file will import. You can see this is the DXF file and this is the OBJ file. Now I have to transform and position this OBJ file to where the DXF file is placed. Firstly, I have to select the OBJ file and click on the align tool from the toolbar. Select on the DXF files any edge. The options will pop up. The X position should be checked, Z position also should be checked, and Y position is also should be checked. Kind object should be in center, target object will also be in center, and align orientation match scale should be as it is. Apply and click OK. You can see now the DXF file and the OBJ file are at the same place. Now I need to scale the OBJ file as the DXF file's width and length is. For this, go to modify panel, select the OBJ file, and from modify list select FFP 2x2x2. Select the snapping tool, snaps toggle. If you click and hold, you can see there is 2D, 2.5D and 3D. I have to select the 3D to do this job, and click right button on this 3D snapping tool. It will open up a window, grid a snap settings. Go to options tab and make sure that translation, under translation, use axis constraints are checked. Now again go to modify panel and open the FFD 222. Select the control points. It will snap to the DXF file. Go to edge. Again select the X axis and it will snap to the DXF file. Again X axis and snap to the DXF file, file's corner where the vertex exists. Yeah, the scaling is done. Now I have to texture it. Open the material editor and apply empty material to the object. Select the object and click on assign material to selection. It will assign the material to the selection, and go to diffuse, select a bitmap, select the texture you want to map on the object and click open. Make sure the show shaded material in viewport is checked. that will show the material on viewport. Now I have to map it in order to show the material or the texture rightly on the object. Go to modify panel and select the UV map. Sorry, here is UV map. Now it's showing there, and there is a DXF file. I have no need for DXF file now, so select it and delete it. Now I have to trim the file. For trimming the file or object, you have to go to modify panel and select edit mesh. Select polygons, go to the front viewport, select the lower part, drag and select the lower part of the object or of the object, and you can see we're selected the part, this corner parts what I want to delete from the object, but it also selected the side part and the center part, so I have to deselect it in order to select only the part I want to delete. Go to front viewport and hold Alt key of your keyboard and drag the upper part of the object. It will deselect the side selection of the object. You can see the perspective view, it's deselected. And same method for the top view, and hold down the Alt key and drag on the object's polygons which you want to deselect. Now remaining selection is only which I want to delete, and just press delete. It will delete all the polygons that I don't want to be in my scene. And